In a small village surrounded by green fields and tall mountains, there lived a man named Raghav. He was a hard-working blacksmith, known for his strong arms and kind heart. Every day, he worked from sunrise to sunset, making iron tools, fixing broken carts, and sharpening swords for the villagers. But deep inside, Raghav had a dream to work in the royal court. He heard that the king was looking for strong and skilled men. A grand competition would be held, and the winner would get a place in the royal service, a good salary, and great respect. Raghav believed he could win. As a child, he was one of the fastest runners in the village. But as he grew older, life became busy and he forgot to run. Still, his heart whispered, "This is your chance." The competition was a month away. Raghav decided to train, but every morning he found excuses. His shop was always busy. If he didn't work, his family wouldn't eat. His hands were tired, his body sore. And by evening, he had no energy left. Days passed, and Raghav kept saying, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. With just 3 days left, fear gripped him. He had wasted too much time. "I must train now." So he pushed himself harder than ever. He ran before sunrise, lifted weights, and skipped meals to practice. His legs burned, his chest ached, but he kept going. The morning of the race arrived. The competition ground was filled with people. The king sat on his golden throne, watching the competitors. Raghav stood among the runners, his heart pounding. He knew he was not as prepared as the others, but he still had hope. "I worked hard these last 3 days. I will win." But then an announcement changed everything. The competition for this group will begin in the afternoon, the royal announcer said. Raghav had not eaten since morning. His body was already weak from 3 days of intense training. Now, he had to wait for hours under the hot sun. He looked around and saw that the other competitors had also not eaten. But there was a difference. They had practiced daily for a month. Their bodies were strong, ready for this challenge. By the time the race started, hunger drained Raghav's energy, but he ignored it. "I have to win, no matter what." The signal was given, and the race began. Raghav started strong. His feet hit the ground with power, dust rising behind him. The crowd cheered, and for the first time in years, he felt alive. "This is it. This is my moment." He ran ahead, overtaking one runner, then another. His heart pounded, his legs burned, but he kept pushing. But soon, his body began to fail. His legs felt heavier. His breath became short. His vision blurred. The runners behind him did not slow down. They had trained daily, their bodies ready for this challenge. One by one, they passed him. Raghav tried to run faster, but his body refused. His strength was gone. In the blink of an eye, he lost the race. The crowd gasped. The dream that had lived in his heart for so long had slipped away. Raghav sat on the ground, staring at the finish line. His eyes burned, not just from sweat, but from tears. I was so close, so close. He had worked so hard in the last 3 days. He had pushed his body to the limit. But it was not enough. He looked at the winners. They were also hungry, also tired. But they had something he didn't: consistent practice. They had prepared every day, while he had only trained at the last moment. For days, Raghav couldn't eat, couldn't sleep. His heart was heavy with regret. If only I had practiced every day. If only I had prepared earlier. One evening, an old man approached him. It was Guru Dev, a wise teacher from the village. "You look lost, my son," the old man said gently. Raghav sighed. "I failed, Guruji. I had a chance to change my life, and I lost it." The Guru smiled. "Do you know why?" Raghav lowered his head. Because I was not ready. Gurudev nodded. A warrior does not sharpen his sword the night before a battle. He sharpens it every day. The words struck deep. Success is not about trying hard at the last moment. It is about preparing every day. The other runners were also hungry, but they had trained for weeks. Their bodies were strong. You worked hard, Raghav, but you only worked for 3 days. Success does not come from last-minute effort. It comes from daily discipline. Tears welled up in Raghav's eyes. He finally understood. It was not bad luck that made me lose. It was my own choices. Raghav could have given up. He could have spent his life blaming fate. But he chose to change. From that day on, he woke up before sunrise, not for a race, but for himself. He ran every morning, lifted weights daily, and trained without waiting for a competition. He became stronger, faster, and better. Months passed, then a year. One day, another competition was announced. This time, Raghav did not have to prepare in a hurry. He was already ready. When the race began, he ran with confidence. His body was strong, his heart steady. He did not lose breath halfway. And this time, he did not lose. The moment he crossed the finish line, he heard the cheers, felt the victory, and knew he had truly won, not just the race, but over his past self. Final message. Success is not about last-minute effort. It is about daily discipline. Don't wait for the last moment to prepare for your dreams. Build yourself every day, step by step, and when the time comes, you won't just try, you will win.